Hey there, science explorers. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of science. Today, we're diving into something truly magical and mysterious. Have you ever seen something move without anyone touching it? It might seem like a magic trick, but there's a fascinating scientific explanation behind it. That's probably the work of a mysterious, invisible power called magnetism. Magnetism is a force that can attract or repel objects made of certain materials like iron and steel. Magnets are like tiny superheroes with a superpower. They can pull things towards them without even using their hands. Imagine having a power like that. You could move objects from a distance just like a superhero. It's like magic, but it's actually science. The science of magnetism has been studied for centuries, and it helps us understand how magnets work and why they are so special. This invisible power is what makes magnets so cool. They can attract metal objects from a distance, and they can even make other magnets move without touching them. You can't see it, but you can definitely see what it does. When you bring a magnet close to a pile of paper clips, they jump towards the magnet as if by magic. Get ready to explore the amazing world of magnets and their invisible pulling power. We'll learn how magnets work, discover different types, and try some fun experiments. Let's start this magnetic adventure. Magnets come in all shapes and sizes. Some magnets look like bars, some are round like coins, and some are even shaped like horseshoes. But guess what? Even though they look different, all magnets have one thing in common. They love to attract certain things. They especially love to attract objects made of iron or nickel. These metals are like yummy treats to a magnet. How can a magnet pull things towards it without even touching them? The answer is a magnetic field. Imagine a magnet wearing an invisible suit. This suit is the magnetic field, and it reaches out like invisible arms, pulling certain things closer. You can't see the magnetic field, but it's there. It's like a secret force field that only magnets have. Every magnet has two very special ends called poles. These poles are fundamental to how magnets work and interact with each other. They are the defining features that give magnets their unique properties. One end is called the North Pole, and the other end is the South Pole. These names are derived from the Earth's own magnetic poles, which are located near the geographic North and South Poles. The North Pole of a magnet is so named because it points towards the Earth's North Pole when freely suspended. They are like the two ends of a battery. Just as a battery has a positive and a negative end, a magnet has a north and a south pole. This analogy helps us understand that magnets have a directionality to them which is crucial for their function. Here's the fun part. Opposite poles attract each other. This means that the north pole of one magnet will naturally be drawn to the south pole of another magnet. This attraction is a fundamental property of magnetism, and is what makes magnets so useful in various applications. That means the north pole of one magnet wants to stick to the south pole of another magnet. This attraction can be quite strong, depending on the strength of the magnets involved. It's a bit like a magnetic handshake, where the two poles come together and hold on tightly. It's like they are best friends. When opposite poles meet, they form a strong bond, almost as if they are inseparable. This bond is what allows magnets to hold objects together, from simple fridge magnets to complex industrial applications. But if you try to put two north poles or two south poles together, they will push each other away. This repulsion is just as important as attraction in the world of magnetism. It ensures that like poles do not come together, maintaining the balance of magnetic forces. It's like they are saying, "No way, we want to be with our opposite." This playful interaction between magnetic poles is a fundamental principle that governs how magnets behave. Understanding this principle is key to harnessing the power of magnets in technology and everyday life. Now it's time for some hands-on fun. The Great Magnet Challenge. Are you ready to try a fun experiment with magnets? Let's see what your magnet can attract. You will need a magnet, a paper clip, a crayon, a piece of paper, and a wooden block. Now try to pick up each object with your magnet. What happens? You'll notice that the magnet attracts the paper clip but not the crayon paper or wooden block. That's because the paper clip is made of metal, and magnets love metal. Section 6. Magnets are everywhere. Magnets are not just for fun science experiments, they are everywhere around us. Can you think of some places you might find magnets? They hold notes on our refrigerators, make music in our headphones, keep tools organized in toolboxes, and even help trains move super fast. Section 7. Test your magnet smarts. Now that you are a magnet expert, let's see if you can answer these fun questions. 1. Can a magnet attract a plastic toy? The answer is no. Question 2. Do magnets need batteries to work? The answer is no. Question 3. Can a magnet attract something through a piece of paper? The answer is yes. Section 8. Keep exploring. You've learned that magnets have an invisible pulling power. They come in different shapes and sizes, each with its own unique properties and uses. Some magnets are small and delicate, perfect for tiny tasks, while others are large and powerful, capable of lifting heavy objects. And they have north and south poles that attract or repel. When you bring the north pole of one magnet close to the south pole of another, they pull together with a satisfying snap. But if you try to push two north poles or two south poles together, they resist with an invisible force, almost like magic. You even discovered that magnets are hidden in lots of everyday objects. From the fridge magnets that hold up your favorite drawings to the tiny magnets inside your headphones that help produce sound, magnets are all around us, making our lives easier and more fun. But there is still so much more to discover about the amazing world of magnets. Keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and never stop being curious. The more you explore, the more you'll learn about how magnets work and how they can be used in new and exciting ways. And keep exploring the world with your curious mind. Whether you're at home, in the classroom, or outside in nature, there are always new things to discover and learn. Use your imagination and creativity to think of new experiments and projects involving magnets. Maybe someday, you'll even invent something new and amazing using the power of magnets. Who knows? You might create a new gadget that helps people in their daily lives, or even a groundbreaking invention that changes the world. The possibilities are endless when you keep exploring and learning.